Over the course of the past few days, I have literally spent hours trying to unclog this bathtub drain using this pair of tweezers to remove all of the hairs that I could visibly see from the drain. But after doing so, unfortunately, the bathtub is still clogged. So to put a stop to this madness once and for all, I decided to pick up this intense drain unclogging tool set that I found on Amazon. This set contains one 3-foot long drain clog remover, 6 drain snakes, and 2 pipe cleaning brushes. So if I can't unclog my drain after this set, legitimately, I don't know what else will. So now I'm going to show you this set in action, trying to use it to unclog my drain for the very first time. We're going to see how quickly it can unclog my drain, and we're going to see whether or not it's worth the purchase. And I'm really praying that it is. All right, here we go. Here's what it looks like at the start. As you can see, there is no visible cloggage that you can see. The unclogging tool has a claw at the end of it that pops out and shrink back in. To operate it, you're going to use this handle to push down to open the claw and then let go to retract the claw. I'm going to bend this part a little bit and start further away from the drain in order for it to go deeper in at the right angle. From the top view, you can see the angle is going in like that as I continue to push it. Just now, I opened the claw before I started pushing the tool down the drain, and it felt like I grabbed a bunch. So, you ready for this? Let's check it out. Oh, yo. Yeah, that's, there's the problem. There's the cause of the blockage. Wow, I can't even pull this out. Oh. Kind of gross, but that is insane. I can't believe there was this much hair stuck in the drain that I couldn't see just looking down the hole. Oh, look at that. Whoa. Oh. This is why we use the drain snake. It just keeps on coming and coming. Now for a final sweep with the brush. Okay, looking pretty good. Using the tools starting from this top entryway, we were able to remove this much additional hair that was blocking my pipes that I could not see and could not reach from the drain. If your bathtub also looks like this, personally, I would recommend starting from the top entrance opposed to the drain, because with the anatomy of the pipes, that will allow you to reach directly downwards into the connector versus reaching upwards into the overflow area, which is what happens if you start by using the tools in the drain like I was doing earlier. But now that I've reasonably successfully removed all of the blockage using the tools through both of the entryways, I think now is the perfect time to do a final test. Looking promising. It's been a few minutes and the water isn't even reaching half of the tub right now. Here we go. Yes, beautiful. Look at that. The clog is finally gone. And there you have it. Using this unclogging set, a regular guy like me who's not a professional plumber or handyman was able to successfully unclog my drain that admittedly has been left clogged forever. To unclog your pipes most efficiently, I would recommend starting with the unclogging tool, following it with a snake drain, and then finishing it off with a pipe cleaner as I demonstrated in this video. And if I have figured out how to do this, you definitely can too. So if you're looking for an effective set of tools to unclog your drains, clean your pipes, and save you loads of time and loads of money, pick up the set for yourself today and you're going to be set.